Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your BMW 1 Series fog lights. This guide makes the process straightforward, saving you time and money. We will cover everything from gathering your tools to testing your new lights. It is a simple task that anyone can accomplish with a few basic steps. Let's get started and illuminate your path safely. First, ensure your car is parked safely on a level surface. Turn your steering wheel fully to one side to give yourself ample access to the wheel well. You will need to remove a few screws from the wheel arch liner, typically using a Torx or Phillips head screwdriver. Once the screws are out, carefully pull back the liner to reveal the fog light housing. Now, carefully disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old fog light bulb. It usually has a small tab you press to release it. Then, twist or unclip the old bulb from its housing and pull it straight out. When installing the new bulb, handle it by its base and avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Once the new bulb is in place, firmly secure it into its housing and reattach the electrical connector. Then, carefully push the wheel arch liner back into its original position and replace all the screws you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your car and test the new fog light to confirm it is working perfectly. You have successfully changed your fog light.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.